Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Welcome to all. Inshallah all are very fine. I am your English grammar teacher. Today in English grammar we are going to learn about new lesson articles a and the. What is the name of the lesson? Articles a and the. Let us learn about. First of all, we will know about what are articles and where we use the articles. The words a and the are called articles. The words a and the are called articles. An article is used to point out a noun. An article is used to point out a noun. Let us learn about the uses of article. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, and rest of them are called consonants. Now we will know about articles a and the. We use a and to point out the singular nouns. We use the to point out the singular and plural nouns. And when we introduce the noun second time, we used all articles before a noun. Next, see, we used articles a and only with one person, one place, one animal and one thing. Let us see the use of article a. We used article a with nouns that begin with consonant sound. For example, a bus, a girl, a cow, a zoo. Let us see the use of article an. We use article an with nouns that begin with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an octopus, an ink bottle, an elephant. Let us see the use of the. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. The is used with singular and plural nouns. The is used when we use the same noun second time. For example, the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal are proper and particular nouns and singular noun also. Next, the dogs, the kids, the books are plural nouns. Next, look at these sentences. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. In these sentences, articles a and are used with singular nouns, and the is used to introduce the noun stall second time. I think each and everyone have understood about this lesson. In next video, inshallah, we will do the exercise of this lesson. Now it's homework time. Learn and write definition of articles 3 times. Articles, the words a and the are called articles. An article is used to point out a noun. I will ask about this homework in the next class. Allah Hafiz.